Why do you think, Margaret, it is that the offspring of parents with schizophrenia have higher rates of both sibling conflict and aggression?
Mm. That's one of the hallmarks of my book because I kept reading the research that was out there was not talking about life in the family from the child's point of view. It was talking about looking at the children as uh, uh, genetic relatives of the schizophrenic person. So when researchers talked to the children or looked at the children and they had high rates of misbehavior or depression or anxiety or whatever, they assumed that it was for genetic reasons
Mm,
and that there may indeed be a genetic component. I'm not a scientist of that uh, sort that can figure out the genetic influences of having a schizophrenic parent. However, I wanted to tell the story from the children's point of view,
right.
which was we grew up in chaos. We grew up with uh, the caretaker. Our caretaker had bizarre behaviors and was out of control often,
Yes.
and we were upset. We were angry. We were grieving. We were sad, and
Yes.
we expressed it as children do by acting out a lot of times. So
Yes.
I wanted to balance that out, that they're not necessarily uh, pathologically defective.
Right.
They may be in part responding to their environment. And let's, take the whole picture into consideration.
Exactly. Yes. When you consider your formative years are the most important ones and you're surrounded by turmoil and chaos and a lot of the time aggression, that very bizarre behavior that, I mean, you're starting your way out in this world and that is what you're seeing. It's tough.
It is tough. And you have your primary relationship is mom,
Exactly.
and the attachment is flawed at best
Right.
because of usually her inability to attach in a healthy way.